So welcome back guys to another video. This is your boy Elvis, and today I'm going to be looking for possible opportunities that I can find in Eurusd. So if I dive into the weekly time frame, this is what I can see. This is what I can see in the weekly time frame. So as you can see, what we are seeing is that first thing first is that in USD price gapped up, as you can see from this point to this point, from this point I mean to this point over here. So meaning that, let me first draw my areas of interest here and see what we shall be finding at this point. And you see what we can do about the follow-up. So as you can see now, this was last week, I think this is this very week, but as you can see that price gapped up to this level of to last week is low, as you can see. So what I'm saying is that this point of 1.04966 plays a very big role, as you can see over there. So what I will do is that I will be dropping to my daily time frame. So this is my daily time frame. So let me first remove all of this. Let me remove all of this. Let me remove all of this. Let me remove all of this. So what do I see here? So here's the thing. So let me try to zoom in a bit to have a clear view. To have a very clear view at this point. So let me try to zoom in and focus. So this is my daily time frame. So what do I see? I'm seeing that I'll try to take this low over here, that low, and then if price tries to trade to the upside, I'll consider this, or consider that low over there. So maybe that price is still trading in between these, but what I'm seeing is that now I'm seeing that price is trying to push to the downside, because first when price opened at this very level over here, so price first pushed to the downside, then it pushed to the upside, then it came back still. So now price is now consolidating in between this area. So my interest at this point is between these areas over there. So what do I see over here? So let me first go back to my weekly time frame and try to show something. So now what do I see? So I think for future reference, price will trade maybe. So because let me first now zoom out and first look very closely to see what price is really doing. So as you can see that this level that I talked about, the level of 1.04966 is very important, because as you can see from all of the past years, this level has been respected by price, but now last week reached this level. So meaning that after this level being broken, it may be turned to something like resistance. So now price shoot down to the upside to this level of 1.03318, meaning that it's a very important level here, plays a very big role here. So meaning that maybe price may continue to the downside, or mean that if price will continue to the upside. So that will depend on how the market plays out. So if I go into my 30 minutes time frame, this is what I can see. So here's the gap that price made. Here's the gap. So all eyes are on this point My eyes are now on this point over here. So if you look now, if you look closely and see this, is that I'm now looking at these very two levels over here. I'm looking at these three levels. I'm looking at these three levels over here for Euro USD. What does this really mean to us? So this really shows us something that is crucial, because as today is a Monday, we shall wait for price to see how price plays out. How price plays out in these levels over here. So I'm looking at this level of 1.04631. This weekly level that is being fed by price to be broken, and then this other price level, which is 1.05079. All my eyes are at this point over here. So what do I see here? So here's the thing now. So what I will do is that that's it for the 30 minutes time frame. So what I will do is that I'm going to mark out some certain levels, because now these are my crucial levels over here. So you can take this, you can take this, you can take this, you can take that. So let's take that, because as you can see now, this level price was consolidating, but later when it was broken, so meaning that, so as you can see here, over here, that price was broken by that this level was broken by price in the first place. So meaning that price was a bit consolidating, but price gapped up to this level over here. So what am I seeing now? What am I looking for? So as you can see this, I think it will open at this very level over here. So now my eyes now are focused at these two levels here, this and this. I want to see what really price does. So if I continue adding this, I can add on this. But this is really not so much useful, but as per now I'll be using this to show you something that is very good. So that's it for the famous time frame. So let me try to go to my smaller time frames and see. So here's the thing still, guys. Here's the thing. So and again, still price is consolidating after it dropping up to the downside, to the upside. So I want to see what price really does at these levels here. I want to see price maybe reaching at this level, or price continuing to the upside. So this is it for Euro USD. So I'll wait for today. I want to see what price really does today. Then I'll continue. Then I will continue. I'll continue with it tomorrow, because I want to see what price does in this area of. So let me first adjust this. So as I tell you that this is really a very, very important level. So I'll wait for price to see what it does at that level over there. So I want to be sharing this on my Twitter, on my Twitter handle. I want to be sharing this on my Twitter. So I want to see what will the price continue. So if price plays to the upside, I want to see what price does at this very level over here. So what I mean is that price may reach at this very level here before it continues to the downside. So I will wait for today, as today is a Monday, this gap, after price gap being this level over here. So my eyes are now focused at these two levels now. So I'm going to be sharing this on my Twitter handle. Yeah, I'm going to be sharing that. So let me share. So thanks for watching, guys.